Bitcoin is falling back towards the downside after hitting a new all-time high yesterday. But after the Trump inauguration, well, there was no mention of crypto, and crypto isn't currently the top priority for the White House, so this has caused the Bitcoin price to massively crash back towards the downside. So need to be talking about that, about the Bitcoin charts, because the Bitcoin charts are still looking very good. Need to be talking about that and much more in today's update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's at short term. And first of all, yesterday we have seen some crazy volatility. First of all, we have seen a Melania token getting out, sucking up all of the liquidity from the market. Then after that, we've got some news, some leaks that maybe potentially Trump is going to be talking about the strategic reserve and Bitcoin on the first day over here. And yeah, a lot of people were getting hyped up, causing this massive pump back towards new all-time highs for Bitcoin. So yeah, we basically reached a new all-time high over here, looking very good. But after doing that, well, there was no active mention of Bitcoin or any crypto during the speech. So yeah, the hype quickly faded away and Bitcoin once again retraced back towards the downside. Now, honestly, I do not really understand why people are panicking right now, because honestly, it was unlikely that Trump was going to mention crypto in his speech anyways on the first day. I mean, for a proper president, well, it is not going to be very likely to mention crypto at the first thing. This shouldn't be the top priority. But yeah, like Miles Deutscher is saying, what matters is what happens in the coming few days. There are already reports of a pardon and an executive order to allow banks to more easily hold digital assets. So yeah, there's progress already being made, but important to understand that we are not going to be seeing these massive changes being made like overnight. It will still take time, and patience is what's being needed. Anyways, what is going to be important right now is if Bitcoin is going to be seeing a bounce from off this level, or if we're going to be crashing even lower. Now, having a first look into what's the Bitcoin charts, it is still looking very good. We are just retesting this breakout of this symmetrical triangle breakout over here. So yeah, this is looking very good. We are back at a major level of support, but I would like to say that, yeah, whenever we're going to be falling down, back down below this level of support over here, well, in that case, it is going to be looking very bad. In that case, well, we have just grabbed the liquidity above that previous all-time high. All of the upside liquidity is pretty much taken. And if we're going to be falling down below this level of support, well, we are just basically falling back in towards this range over here, okay? And in that case, I would definitely still expect that we're going to be coming down back towards this level of support over here, back at these lower levels. So yeah, it is going to be crucial for Bitcoin to hold this level of support over here, about that 100k level of support. If we're going to be falling down below this level, I'm going to be having a look into the 92k level next. But as long as we're going to be holding above support, we're still going to be looking good. I'm still going to be having a look into this retest over here, and still this retest over here of this falling wedge breakout. So yeah, basically we are still looking fine. As long as we're going to be holding above support, well, I still think that we're going to be initiating this next leg towards the upside, and nothing has pretty much changed. Well, we are just trading inside of this small consolidation, right? We have seen this liquidity grab towards the downside. So in my opinion, it is just going to be very likely that we're initiating that next leg towards the upside, like we have been talking about for many times already, seeing this deviation on the bottom side. So yeah, right now initiating that next leg towards the upside. Also, if we are going to be having a look into this chart, well, usually during about the inauguration of a new president, we are seeing a little bit of a sell the news event. But yeah, about 1 week after the inauguration, that has been the moment where the real pump has been getting started. On top of that, well, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend over here, so definitely wouldn't be bearish at all. The Bitcoin funding rates are still looking very good. Although weekends have once again been getting shaken out by the small little dump towards the downside. Anyways, more important data to go over right now, because each and every single time after an inauguration, well, each and every single time, that has been the start of a parabolic run towards the upside. So yeah, the parabolic move towards the upside is starting right now at this current moment. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look in towards this data, well, retail is coming back towards crypto right now. The search term how to buy crypto is going exponential on the Google Trends search. So yeah, after the crazy madness that has been going on with the Trump meme coin and all of that, well, this has been causing a lot of retail inflow finally. And that is exactly what we need to be seeing for our altcoins to start exploding. So yeah, need to be talking about that exactly a little bit later, because Trump triggered the altcoin season right now at this current moment. Need to be talking about that. But first of all, well, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself right now, or trading or buying altcoins, well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming $100,000 deposit bonus completely for free just by signing up a new account over on Blofin. Deposit some money and you can be getting these insane deposit bonuses. Now, the best thing is Blofin is no KYC, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be signing up an account over on Blofin. Do be sure to check out if it's going to be available in your country. Make sure to check it out with that link down below. Anyways, yeah, altcoins are about to be exploding right now from this exact moment. If we're going to be having a look into towards history, well, of the time after the inauguration, that has been the moment where the cycle has started and where the altcoin season has started. Now, after the US election, some time after that, the Bitcoin dominance tends to peak out. We've been exactly predicting the Bitcoin dominance peak, but right now, the real true parabolic altcoin season is about to start. We all already do know, well, altcoin season always starts off slow, but then suddenly everything will come out of nowhere. Well, the real altcoin season will start out of nowhere and all of the altcoins will explode with like 20%, 30% every single day. We have seen it time and time over again. Right now, the same exact thing is happening. And right now, that parabolic alt season is about to start. So make sure to be prepared for that. It is coming. The cycle is still repeating. I still believe in the cycle. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. Guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.